Hi, we were invited to an old communist apartment to fix the lights. Here, currently, there is a new light switch which is touch activated, unlike the old ones, and inside there's an LED. We want to replace this light switch with an automatic one that turns the light on when you open the door and turns it off when you close it. Here is the switch that we're going to put. It is from a microwave, and to make it work you have to connect the live wire here and the wire to the light in the NO terminal if you want the light to turn off when you close the door and turn on when you open it. Now we're going to remove this light switch. There are two wires controlling the light, which we will now just twist together to keep the light on indefinitely for now. Now we turned off the breaker box, and for safety reasons we're going to check if there's electricity or not. Now we shorted it. Now we're going to insulate the ends. Now that the wires are shorted, the lights are always on. We cut out a little cover from a plastic cup to cover the exposed wires. We made some plaster to cover up where the switch was. Now we're going to find the live wire, route it to the switch, to the COM outlet, and then route it back to the light. This is a very old ceramic connector, and we had to put copper wires. The original ones are made out of aluminum and break very easily.
It's very strange. The new technology, the LED, meets the old technology, the ceramic connector.
Also, the lock was broken, so we took it out, and because it's a very old type, you can't really find new ones that fit, so we cleaned it with sandpaper, and we're going to put some WD-40 in it and put it back.
First we cleaned up very well the parts, and now we put some grease.
So now we got a screw, and we're going to put it up here, so when you open the door the switch comes out and the lights are on, but if you close it the lights go out. So now the switch is installed and working correctly. We did this to replace the other one because the house we are in is owned by an old lady, and she might not have enough power to hold heavy pots and pans or anything else and open the door with one hand, turn on the light. Like this, if the door is open, the light is on, so you don't have to keep turning it on or off. Here's what it looks like in position. Now we put the light back in and installed the switch.
If you close the door,
the light turns off, and if you open it, it turns back on.
from here.
and now the light is off.